Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and today we're supposed to get 12 to 20 inches of snow, which probably means 8 to 12. Alright, let's see if it's snowing yet. Nope. Also guys, next week I'm actually going to my mom's for the first time in like 5 months. So look out for that, because I will be vlogging me going to my mom's. That's a weird sentence I just said. I did go to my mom's the day after, or no, it was the day after the fire. And I didn't vlog it because I was just like, I was so shocked at what just happened, because you know, our entire building burned down. And fun fact, when I uploaded the last moments video that got 18,000 views, that was uploaded by using my mom's computer. I was at my mom's for the night. I didn't think it would get 18,000 views. I didn't think I would gain any subs from that. I didn't think any of this would have happened. I thought, okay, a video of my apartment building burning down is probably only gonna get like 100 views, maybe 300. No, 18,000. There's gonna be some videos with my mom, so stay tuned. We also got Christmas coming up. There's probably gonna be a solid week of daily uploads from me on this channel. So make sure to stick around on this channel because I have some really cool stuff planned. Especially today, because today is a snowstorm and we're getting a lot of snow. Which actually, this is an autumn storm because it's still autumn. It's not even winter yet. My dad said this would be the biggest snowstorm in his entire life to happen in December. December isn't popular for snowstorms. January and February and March is. Well guys, it's officially snowing.
Weather is not cooperating. I've been already driving now for almost an hour and I'm still not even home yet. Hopefully this won't be a recording of me getting into an accident because I don't need any more damage. There's Redner's and there's O'Grady's restaurant off to the left, and there's where I need to go, pass through all that traffic. And there I go sliding again. Oh, I'm getting tired of driving in this weather. Can't even tell where the road lines are. I'm just following everybody else. Oh, great, the light changed right when I was getting through. Let's see if we can make it up this hill. Uh-oh, accident up ahead. And there's a person coming at me without any lights on. He wonders why there's accidents. That's what you call a sliding stop.
So how hard was it to get home?
I made a video of it.
I told you to get home earlier. Why didn't you?
Because I was getting paid to be there today.
Well,
Man, it didn't start till 2.
yeah, but you almost got paid to stay there overnight.
Yeah, I would have gotten out there in time.
I don't know. Man, look at it out there. Looks foggy. So the GoPro is still charging, so we can't really use it yet. And it's also too dark to do anything now. So we're just gonna kind of go out there and just walk in the snow, I guess. Oh boy. Oh my god. It doesn't even look dark out. Oh. Oh my god, it's like snowing harder and harder each second.
Oh, just.
Oh my god, my hair.
Where to?
I don't know where to. Oh god. Too bad it's not bright enough and the GoPro isn't charged for us to do really anything. Ugh. Like no one out here. Oh. Okay then. Just open your mouth, you get a pound of snow in it. I might have to switch to my phone. This is the other building. Wait, no, is this the bat? No, this isn't the one we live in. It looks so foggy out. Oh, look, Christmas lights. We can literally just walk around the neighborhood and just look at Christmas lights. Look at those lights. My hand is starting to freeze from holding the phone.
Yeah, I never see those lights when I go to work.
Oh wow, look at all these lights here.
I know.
Too bad we don't have a yard.
There he is, the snow yeti.
Should I shake my hair on you?
No, don't.
Why?
You gotta shake it before you get inside. You look like a freaking saggy DA. And there's the list set of lights.
Well, I haven't gotten a haircut for 550 days.
Oh God. We'll make it.
It's gonna be 1,000.
No, it'll get to 600. That's it.
No.
It looks like there's
Oh
like.
my God! Look, film the light right there. Right there.
Which one?
All the way above you. Yeah, look.
Oh wow, that looks weird too. It looks like.
Yeah, but you can see all the snow.
I know. The camera won't focus, so it looks like a big spider web. See?
That's because of the wet. Oh my God! Look at all the snow.
All right.
You're a seagull.
No, that's a goose.
That's a goose.
Yeah. Christmas tree.
Oh, this is so cool. Just like looking at Christmas lights. This wasn't even planned. And I got hair in my mouth.
Look at the screen.
Oh my God. It looks like you're going through space.
I know.
Oh my God, look at those green lights over there.
Yeah, it was. Almost looks like a shamrock.
What?
Yeah, 4-leaf clover shamrock.
Yeah. I got some snow in my eyes right now. I see it. I'm not blind. I'm just like 2% blind from the snow. I don't know what my hair looks like. What does it look like?
Still good.
Yeah, but look at it now. Is there a difference? Oh my God. This is so cool. Okay, my hands are getting numb. Well, my hair. That just shows how much snow we're getting. My dad is shoveling the snow around his car. It's the next day. I want to show you guys this window instead of that window because it's hard to get the camera through the blinds. But yeah, we didn't get 12 to 20 inches of snow, and we didn't really get much overnight. Though we did get some. I don't see grass anywhere. So later we're gonna go sledding. I'll have my dad's sled. We'll have the GoPro. And then we might go to Ashwood and fly the drone that we have over Ashwood to see the snow inside of it. The only bad part about that is I don't know how I would title this video. Like flying a drone into Ashwood Apartments after it burned down after a snowstorm. Like how would I mean, you know what the title of this video is right now, but I don't. So we can't even go because the car won't go. And you don't have a shovel.
Nope.
Oh, jeez. Why didn't you just get a shovel 2 days ago?
Whoa. Oh, shit.
Why'd you do that?
Now I'm stuck over the thing. Damn it.
Okay, we got out. Some guy helped push the car out.
Yeah.
So now we can go wherever we want. So how many inches of snow do you think we got?
5.
5? Well, it's more than 1. Like we usually get. Alright, we're almost at Ashwood. What is it gonna look like?
Oh, people sledding.
Still looks burnt down. I know that.
Yeah.
Oh man. It looks so weird.
I know.
And you know what? I feel like it's gonna be here for such a long time.
I know.
Just sitting there like that. I see blue curtains. Why are you getting messages?
I don't know.
Every time I come here, it looks different.
Uh-oh.
What? What?
We're not parking here.
Why? Oh, yeah, there's not a parking lot anymore. It's just a snow lot.
Yeah.
We parked all the way over here in the parking lot. Yeah. It's kind of weird to be back here.
Yeah, it is.
And it's windy, of course. When's the last time it wasn't windy? I don't think ever. So we're gonna sled first, and then we're gonna walk all the way up there and fly the drone into Ashwood to see what it looks like with a bunch of snow in it. Any thoughts?
I'm cold.
That's the sled you got?
Made in USA.
It's not made in China.
I know.
What are you doing with that snowball?
I was supposed to roll down and get super big.
Yeah, that's not working, is it?
No. Ow.
It didn't even make it to the...
Oh, that's because of my osteoarthritis. I can't throw my...
Ostrich arthritis. We couldn't find anywhere else to sled other than here, so we're sledding here. The only difference is that place is burnt. God, it looks so weird. This is kind of funny to watch.
I know.
It's like a mountain on top of a sled.
I know. I'm not mean. I gotta wear 2 jackets next time.
You're cold for once. So wait, you're actually cold for once.
Yep.
Oh, I'm going backwards. Oh, this GoPro keeps spinning out of control. Did I hit you? Yeah. Aw, that would have been cool. You're like a turtle.
Ah, I'm a turtle. How come I can't see you in the screen?
What?
How come I can't see you in the screen?
Can you do that?
Nope.
All right, let's do the drone thing.
All right.
So they're actually planting a bunch of trees here.
What? Oh, look at the pretty snowman.
This is a snowman.
Oh, they didn't finish the one.
Oh man, look at it. It looks so weird. I would love to just go in there and explore.
I know.
I mean, it's still standing. It looks like it's not going anywhere, any part of it. So we got the drone.
Let's hope it flies.
Yeah, if it doesn't, then I have no idea what the title of this video. Man, look at that. That used to be a stairway that people could walk through. Look at that. It looks so different. There we go. I hit the record button.
In the building.
Can you aim it all the way, the camera down?
I tried, it doesn't go down.
Oh.
Alright.
There we go. Oh, at least it was a success.
Yeah, I guess it was just because of that antenna at the other place.
Yeah, so we crashed it in the Black Rock Tunnel, but it's fine now.
Yeah.
Hopefully we got enough footage of what it looks like in there. Apparently we have to kick the snow away so that we can park.
Hey, do you think I can borrow that again?
What's up? Double?
Yeah, would you mind?
Isn't this some thrilling content? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this fun little video. Let me know in the beautiful comment section of what kind of video suggestions you have for me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to this channel. Also, please share my content if you think I do a good job at making my videos. I try my hardest to make them entertaining as possible. I have a lot of cool videos planned, so stick around. And we're actually projected to get a lot more snow for the rest of this month, so let me know what kind of other things you want to see us do in the snow maybe. Someone suggested a box fort. We didn't have enough time to do that, anything like that, and we also didn't get much snow. But hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.